Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Today's topic about diabetes. There is a wazifa for this, but before going to wazifa, there is a prescription for diabetes. For this, you need a fenugreek seeds around 2 teaspoons, and then you need a cinnamon around 1 each part. Just grind this very well. After grinding this, it will be in a powder form. You have to take this powder 2 times in a day. One, when you wake up at the morning, just take this, but remember, empty stomach. You have to take this on empty stomach. And second, before sleeping. Sometimes it happens that you are taking a dinner very late night, almost like 10 o'clock or 11 o'clock something. In this criteria, you have to take this powder around 8 o'clock or 7 o'clock something. And sometimes it happens that you are taking a dinner earlier, like 8 o'clock or 7 o'clock or 8 o'clock, something like that. You're taking your dinner earlier, so you can take this powder around 10 o'clock or must be like 11 o'clock. Like if you are doing late night dinner, so you have to take this powder before like doing dinner, almost like 2 to 3 hours before. But if you have, like if you are the one who is taking your dinner very earlier, around 8 o'clock or 7 o'clock, so you can take this powder around 10 o'clock or 11 o'clock. And there is another method for this. If you don't want to grind this, like converting into the powder form, so there is another method. Let me tell you. You have to take 4 teaspoons of fenugreek seeds and take 2 parts of cinnamon, but 1 inch. Okay, the one part must be a 1 inch and the second part also a 1 inch. So you have to take 2 part of 1 inch cinnamon, and then you have to take 2 glass of water and just boil this water. You have to boil enough that 1 glass must left. Okay, after this process you have to leave it for whole night. The water you have boiled, you have to leave it for a whole night. When you will wake up into the next morning, just drink half glass of water and save half glass of water for night. When you are going to sleep, just drink half glass of water. So when you wake up in the next morning, just drink a half glass of water and store it for like night. And when you are going to sleep, just drink this half glass of water at night. You have to do this continuously. This is very best prescription for diabetes. After 4 to 5 days, you will feel some changes, inshallah. Okay, now come to the wazifa. Whenever you are taking this grind powder at morning or night, before taking this, you have to recite Durud Pak 3 times, and then you have to recite an ayat, Surah Yasin, ayat number 58.
Salamun qawlan min Rabbir Rahim.
11 times you have to recite this, and just below your breath on powder and take it. Whenever you are doing this prescription, you have to recite 3 times of Durud Pak, and you have to recite an ayat, Surah Yasin 58 number. 11 times you have to recite this ayat, and your niyat should be like this: Oh Allah, I am sick. You are the one who give me illness, and you are the one who can heal me. Just pray for yourself and do this amal. There is no side effect of this. Even there are a lot of benefits of fenugreek seeds for your pain, injuries or anything, and you can use this for your heal. It will heal you very fastly. If you always want to be healthy, there is one more wazifa. Just do this wazifa. Trust me, you will always be healthy and never ever get into this type of disease. Whenever you are eating or taking anything, even your breakfast, lunch, dinner, drinking water, coffee, tea, anything, just recite.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Always before taking this, just recite. Even before every bite. Even before every bite, just recite this. This is very best for everything like diabetes problem, blood pressure problem, even for all type of disease. This will heal you, inshallah. Just make your habit to recite.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Even teach your children to recite this before eating anything, doing anything. Trust me, they will be successful in their life. Allah will heal you, but you have to ask for this. Just cry while praying. Just cry. Ask for this to Allah. Remember, He is listening you. He is watching you. He knows about each and everything. But you have to ask for it. Get close to Allah. Turn to Allah before you return to Allah. Even you are sitting alone, walking, doing anything, just talk to Allah. Ask for your things to Allah. Say to Allah that, Ya Allah, I am in this problem. I am in this trouble. I am facing this problem. Allah, you are the one who can help me. You are the one who knows each and everything. Just talk to Allah and say everything to Allah. Share your problems. Share your thoughts. Share your troubles. Share your everything that you have facing. Just share to Allah each and everything. Remember, He is the one who is listening to you all the time, who is with you all the time. But do not neglect your salah. Never ever neglect your salah. And also obey your parents. Never ever say a word even to them. Trust me, your every turn will be more easier than before. Just turn to Allah before you return to Allah. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.